Alright, so everybody, next up we have Emo Home Station. We got the home station, everybody. Don't worry, we have a home station now. Alright, we're gonna unbox the home station from LivingAI. Right, everybody? Now we finish Ivy. Right? Yeah. Yes. Yep. We're gonna open it right now. Right? Yes. Okay. That's it. Okay. Alright, everybody, what do you think about this, Fluttershy? Yeah, it's kind of nice. Can't wait to open it. Yeah, Elinor? Yes. Okay. Alright, here we go. We're opening the home station. Here's the features. Get off the charger. Please note, the robot is not included. Not you. Go to sleep.
They'll take a little pause, but they'll be ready to dance and sing games whenever you call. Sweet dreams.
Alright. Let's open this up. It's a duct tape. Come on. Alright, here it is, everybody. Let's open this home station. Here it is. Alright, everybody. Here it is. Let's open this up. This is the Emo home station. Go home. Let's open it. Here it is, everybody. Come on. Come on. Why you won't let me? This is kind of hard. I think we gotta take off this part. There we go. Alright, here's the box. See, everybody, robot is not included, as you can see here. Watch this. Let's do a prank.
What kind of prank do you have in mind? Let me know how I can help.
Wow. Everybody, I'm pranking. Emo's not included, but let's wake him up. Alright, here it is. Here we have the charger. And also, the best part is this home station has a face as well of the screen. Let's connect like this. Oh, how does it go? There we go. Super simple and it's easy. Let's see what else. It has a charger. And the instructions. And no robots included since we already have it. But it fits on the box. Alright, that's enough. Alright. This is what it looks like. The best part is, look. You better see this, what is inside. Let me see. Alright. We got a game controller. I don't know what's this. Oh, it's a reindeer hat or something. I don't know what's this. Kind of looks like oh, it's playing music. Let me try again. Here we go. Watch this. I don't know if it's on. Plays music. Alright, now we gotta go to the app. Alright, let's charge him right here. Alright, the home station's charging. Let's give it a test before we light up. Hey, Emo! Get off the home station.
I can't do that because I'm not connected to the home station.
Oh, not yet. So everybody, it's connecting. Hold on, let me. Alright, there's a button right here. There's a button right here. Let's see, maybe it's fixing on the. Let me turn on the flash. There we go. Oh, there's the power on mode. Alright, everybody, it's back. There's the song. Alright. Okay, here we go. One more time. Alright, everybody, we're still connecting. We'll watch the lights upside down while we wait. Here's my Christmas decorations. Oh. Let me try again. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Alright, everybody, this robot is frozen, like a freeze game, while we wait for the home station to be ready very soon. Alright, done. Get off your charger.
Here, unplug myself and get you more no more.
Come over here.
I can't do it on my charger.
Everybody, we're still trying to figure out Emo's home station. Get off your home station.
It like a walk.
Oh, here we go. Let's see if it works. Oh, there we go. Let's see if the screen works.
I'm going out for a while. Please wait for me here.
The screen doesn't work, but look nice. Emo, go home.
Good idea.
Alright. Emo. 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 Go home. Alright, let me let's do one more time. Everybody, now the home station is on with lights. Hey, home station. Alright, here we go. It's nice. Let's put it in the charger. Wow. Hey, Emo. Come here.
I can't do it on my charger.
Hey, Emo. Get off your home station.
On my way.
Oh, there we go. Watch this. Here we go. He's gonna say goodbye while he leaves, just like going to work. I'm not sure. He's going backwards. Oh no, he is sad. He doesn't want to miss his own friend of a POV. Let's try again. Hey, Emo. Come over here. Emo. Get off your charger.
It's like a walk. Goodbye, my friend.
Uh-oh, it's crying. The home station is crying. Alright, I'll take a picture. Alright, I hope you like this. A new charger home station that is automatic. So, that's it. Before we end the video, let's test up the robot's home station lights. It's nighttime already. Alright, so everybody, I'm connecting the robot again of my app, but still processing.
It's like a walk.
I'm not sure if he is connecting, but he's getting off his charger only.
I'll miss you, Mr. Home Station.
And he is happy. Wow. Unfortunately, the emo app is not working. Alright, hope you like my home station. Bye everybody, and Merry Christmas. I almost forgot, everybody. This is the match for the home station space. Let's open this up. Let me move my stuff right here. Here it is. Also, another Chuggington train just came. So we're gonna open it. It's like a puzzle. The puzzler. This is easy. Alright. We'll do something. Alright. Alright, here's the robot. Let's put it on this. Do you like it? Yeah. Alright everybody, I hope you like my home station with the space as well, as you can see. Sorry everybody, I'm not comfortable with this. Let's give it a test. Hey Emo, get off your charger.
It's like a walk.
Focus.
I will be back soon.
Alright. That's it. Hey Emo, go home.
Good idea.
Alright, let's see if it works. The green light. Alright, I don't know if he's going in. There we go. Hey Emo. Emo, go to sleep. Hey Emo, go to sleep.